Hello, world. Welcome to Living by Abundance, where we learn the key principles and techniques for living life by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Join us as we dive into today's discussion. Craft your vibe. Simple decorations to boost abundance and positivity at home. Your home is more than just a place to live. It's a reflection of your energy, mindset, and aspirations. Creating an atmosphere filled with positivity and abundance doesn't have to mean a complete overhaul or expensive changes. Sometimes the simplest DIY decorations can make the most significant impact, transforming your space into a sanctuary of joy, creativity, and inspiration. Today, we'll explore 20 delightful and meaningful DIY decoration ideas that not only elevate your home's aesthetic, but also boost the flow of positive energy. Each project is designed to be approachable, customizable, and infused with intention, allowing you to craft your unique vibe while embracing the principles of living by abundance. Whether you're an experienced DIY enthusiast or just starting your crafting journey, these ideas will spark creativity and inspire you to make your home a haven of positivity and growth. Let's dive in and start crafting your vibe.
Before we dive in, I want to share something that will help you manifest abundance even faster. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle. This bundle includes a 120-day affirmation ebook with 365 printable affirmation cards and a daily affirmation audio and video experience. All of this to help rewire your mindset for your Living by Abundance journey. It all starts with your mind, so get your bundle and start your transformation today at livingbyabundance.com. Now let's get into today's discussion.
1. Create a gratitude wall. A gratitude wall is a powerful visual tool to cultivate positivity and appreciation in your home. Dedicate a blank section of a wall, corkboard, or string display with clothespins to showcase notes of gratitude. Decorate the area with soft, inviting colors, fairy lights, and motivational quotes to make it visually appealing. Encourage your family to write daily notes of thanks, highlighting moments or people they're grateful for. Over time, this wall becomes a vibrant reminder of life's blessings, fostering a habit of thankfulness and reinforcing the abundant energy in your home. Second, DIY vision board. A vision board is a creative and practical way to focus on your goals and aspirations. Choose a corkboard, foam board, or even a poster board to pin images, quotes, and symbols that represent your dreams. Incorporate elements that align with your abundance mindset, such as pictures of serene homes, financial goals, or joyful family gatherings. Decorate the board with washi tape, colorful borders, or small lights to personalize it. Place it where you'll see it daily, like your bedroom or home office, to keep your aspirations top of mind and inspire consistent action toward your goals. Third, handmade dream catcher. Making your own dream catcher is not only a creative project, but also a way to enhance the energy in your home. Use an embroidery hoop or metal ring as the base, weaving twine into intricate patterns. Adorn it with beads, feathers, and crystals that resonate with your personal energy or intentions. Hang it near your bed to filter out negative energy and inspire peaceful, positive dreams. The crafting process itself can be meditative and grounding, helping you connect with your intentions and set the tone for tranquility in your space. Fourth, painted flower pots. Turn plain terracotta pots into colorful, inspiring decor with a touch of paint. Choose colors that symbolize growth and abundance, like vibrant greens, golds, or blues. Add personal touches such as painted patterns, affirmations, or symbols like spirals and leaves. These pots can house your favorite plants such as succulents or herbs, which further boost the positive energy in your home. Display them on your windowsill or tabletop for a cheerful and nature-infused aesthetic. Fifth, positive affirmation. Art. Create custom wall art that radiates positivity and motivation. Use canvas, cardstock, or repurposed materials to design pieces featuring affirmations like I attract abundance or every day is a blessing. Experiment with paint, markers, or vinyl lettering to bring your vision to life. Frame your art or mount it directly on your walls as an inspiring centerpiece. Surrounding yourself with uplifting messages reinforces your abundance mindset and sets a positive tone for your daily life. 6 jar of intentions. A jar of intentions is a simple yet meaningful decoration to manifest your goals and desires. Use a clear glass jar and decorate it with ribbons, stickers, or paint to make it uniquely yours. Write your intentions, dreams, or affirmations on small pieces of paper and fold them before placing them in the jar. Position it somewhere visible, like your desk or nightstand, as a daily reminder of what you're working toward. Revisiting the jar periodically allows you to reflect on your progress and realign with your aspirations. 7. DIY Crystal Grid. Crystal grids combine beauty and energy to amplify abundance and positivity in your home. Arrange crystals such as citrine, amethyst, or rose quartz in a geometric pattern on a wooden base, cloth, or tray. Incorporate sacred shapes like circles or hexagons to enhance the grid's energy. Position the grid in a meditation corner, living room, or bedroom to channel its positive vibrations. This setup not only serves as a stunning decoration, but also invites harmony and abundance into your life. 8. Customized candle holders. Decorating your candle holders adds a personal touch to your home and elevates their ambiance. Use paint, glitter, or adhesive gems to embellish glass or ceramic candle holders. Pair them with candles in uplifting scents like citrus, lavender, or vanilla to promote relaxation and positivity. Place them on mantles, shelves, or dining tables to create a warm, inviting glow. Lighting these candles during your evening routines can become a soothing ritual for centering yourself. 9. Homemade wreaths. A wreath made of natural materials brings a welcoming energy to your home's entrance. Use a wire or foam base and adorn it with dried flowers, eucalyptus, or pine cones. Add embellishments like ribbons, small charms, or even handwritten tags with affirmations. Hang it on your front door or in a prominent spot inside to symbolize abundance and positivity. Changing the wreath with the seasons keeps your decor fresh and aligned with nature's cycles. 10th, personalized photo collage. A photo collage featuring meaningful moments and loved ones adds warmth and joy to your home. Print photos that make you smile, such as family gatherings, travel adventures, or milestones. Arrange them creatively on a frame, corkboard, or even a string display with fairy lights. Adding captions or decorative stickers makes it even more personal. Displaying this collage in a central area reminds you of the abundance of love and happiness in your life. 11th, DIY macrame wall hanging. Crafting a macrame wall hanging is a creative way to add texture and charm to your home. Choose neutral tones like beige or white for a calming vibe, or opt for bold colors to energize your space. Learn simple macrame knots online or through tutorials, then embellish your design with wooden beads or feathers. Hang it in your living room or bedroom as a focal point that radiates warmth and creativity. Each knot represents the care and intention you're putting into your home's energy. 12th, painted rocks. Turn small stones into vibrant tokens of positivity with some paint and creativity. Write affirmations, draw symbols, or create abstract patterns on smooth stones. Use them as paperweights, display them in bowls, or place them in your garden for a colorful touch. Painted rocks are a simple way to spread joy and remind yourself of your intentions as you encounter them throughout your home. 13th, energy boosting garland. Create a vibrant garland that adds movement and color to your home's decor. Use materials like fabric scraps, paper cutouts, or beads to craft a string of cheerful accents. Incorporate uplifting shapes such as stars, hearts, or flowers to represent abundance and positivity. Hang the garland along windows, mantels, or doorways to draw attention to the space and energize the atmosphere. The movement of the garland as it catches air symbolizes the flow of good energy throughout your home. 14th, inspirational coasters. Transform plain coasters into motivational pieces by adding hand-painted designs or affirmations. Use cork, ceramic, or wood bases as your canvas and paint them with cheerful colors, abstract patterns, or symbols of abundance. Include phrases like "Gratitude is my foundation" or "Abundance flows freely to me." These functional yet decorative items bring positivity to everyday moments, whether you're enjoying your morning coffee or hosting guests. 15th, Suncatcher Craft. A DIY suncatcher brings light, beauty, and a sense of wonder to your home. Use materials such as beads, crystals, or colorful glass fragments to create a sparkling design. Hang it in a sunny window where it can catch and refract light, casting colorful prisms throughout the room. Suncatchers symbolize clarity, abundance, and the warmth of positive energy. Every time sunlight interacts with it, you'll be reminded of the joy and brightness in your life. 16. Handmade throw pillows. Personalize your living space with DIY throw pillows that combine comfort and style. Sew or decorate pillow covers with uplifting quotes, cheerful patterns, or meaningful symbols. Use fabrics and colors that resonate with positivity and abundance, such as sunny yellows, serene blues, or grounding greens. These pillows not only refresh your decor, but also create cozy spots to relax and recharge. A handmade touch adds a layer of uniqueness and love to your home. 17th, aromatherapy diffuser display. Design a decorative station to house your essential oil diffuser, enhancing both its function and appearance. Use a small tray or wooden platform to arrange the diffuser alongside a candle, a plant, and a few bottles of essential oils. Scents like eucalyptus, peppermint, or citrus promote energy and clarity, while lavender or chamomile encourage relaxation. This setup doubles as an aesthetic focal point and a source of positive, refreshing energy for your home. 18th, DIY bookshelf decor. Transform your bookshelf into a curated space of inspiration and abundance. Arrange books by color or theme and incorporate decorative objects such as small plants, framed affirmations, or sculptures. Use bookends that reflect your personality or align with your goals, like symbols of strength or creativity. Add fairy lights for a whimsical glow or woven baskets for concealed storage. A thoughtfully styled bookshelf inspires creativity and serves as a daily reminder of the abundance of knowledge and joy in your life. 19th, Zen Sand Garden. A mini Zen sand garden is a calming and meditative decoration for your home. Use a shallow tray filled with fine sand and include small rocks, crystals, or figurines to personalize it. Add a tiny rake to create patterns in the sand, allowing you to express creativity and mindfulness. Place the garden in a quiet corner of your home where you can interact with it daily. This decoration not only brings serenity, but also reminds you to slow down and embrace the present moment. 20th, Visionary Calendar. Design a wall calendar that aligns with your abundance mindset and daily goals. Customize it with handwritten quotes, symbols, or affirmations for each month. Leave space to jot down important events, goals, or moments of gratitude. Use vibrant colors or decorative elements that inspire positivity and organization. A visionary calendar serves as both a practical tool and a visual affirmation of the abundance you're creating in your life. As you step into the journey of crafting an abundant and positive atmosphere in your home, remember that it's not about perfection, it's about intention. Every DIY decoration you create reflects your unique energy and vision, bringing you closer to the life you desire. These simple yet meaningful projects allow you to infuse your space with personal touches that radiate joy, creativity, and abundance. Living by abundance means celebrating the small joys, embracing creativity, and filling your home with pieces that inspire and uplift. With each craft, you're not just decorating, you're setting the stage for a life filled with gratitude, positivity, and purpose. Let your home become a sanctuary that reminds you daily of your goals, values, and all the wonderful possibilities life has to offer. Start small, explore your creativity, and take pride in every piece you make. As you surround yourself with these intentional, heartfelt creations, you'll notice how the energy in your home shifts to one of positivity and fulfillment. Here's to crafting your vibe and living by abundance in every sense of the word. Did you enjoy learning with us? Don't miss out on future insightful videos for Living by Abundance. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, we will continue to learn the key principles and techniques for living by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Want more? Make sure to explore livingbyabundance.com to dive deeper into this and other topics and for more tips and techniques for living by abundance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to continue improving your personal growth and transformation on your journey to living by abundance.
Real quick, let me share something powerful that will support your journey of living by abundance. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle, a powerful 3-in-1 system designed to rewire your thoughts and attract confidence, wealth, health, and success into your life. Are you ready to transform your mindset, elevate your life, and manifest abundance every day in every area of your life? Yes, you can have abundance in every area of your life. This bundle includes everything you need to build an unstoppable mindset for living by abundance. A 120-day affirmation ebook with daily prompts to shift your mindset. 365 printable affirmation cards, one for each day of the year, ready to inspire you. 365 affirmations audio and video experience for daily reinforcement wherever you are. With this bundle, you'll cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude, strengthen self-love and confidence every single day, attract financial prosperity, and improve your health. Boost focus, productivity, and motivation to crush your goals. This is a massive investment in yourself. Don't wait. Your life-changing mindset shift starts today. Get your Living by Abundance Ultimate Bundle and manifest the life you desire. Visit livingbyabundance.com and get your ultimate bundle and upgrade your journey to living by abundance today.
You're always welcomed at livingbyabundance.com. See you soon and keep living by abundance.